Hey guys, today we're going to talk about possessive adjectives in French. Possessive adjectives are words used to indicate who or what something belongs to. In English, you use my for I, your for you, his for he, and so on. In French, it's a bit more complicated as the possessive adjective matches the owner, as in English, but it also matches the object in gender and number. 1. Je is the owner. Un stylo. Un stylo. The word for pen in French is masculine, and I'm talking about one pen only, so it is singular. Mon stylo. Mon stylo. Une robe. Une robe. The word for dress in French is feminine, and I'm talking about one dress only, so it is singular. Ma robe. Ma robe. Des écouteurs. Des écouteurs. The word for earphones in French is masculine, and I'm talking about two pieces, so it is plural. Mes écouteurs. Mes écouteurs. Do not forget to make the liaison by adding a the sound. The liaison between a determiner and a noun is compulsory. Des baskets. Des baskets. The word for sneakers in French is feminine, and I'm talking about two pieces, so it is plural. Mes baskets. Mes baskets. In English, when I is the owner, we simply use my in front of a noun to express possession, whereas in French there are three different words for this. Mon is used in front of masculine and singular nouns, ma is used in front of feminine and singular nouns, and mes is used in front of plural nouns regardless of the gender. Possessive adjectives only match the object in gender, not the owner. A man would say c'est mon stylo, and a woman would also say c'est mon stylo. Tu is the owner. Un sac à main. Un sac à main. Ton sac à main. Ton sac à main. Une lampe. Une lampe. Ta lampe. Ta lampe. Des lunettes. Des lunettes. Tes lunettes. Tes lunettes. When tu, informal you, is the owner, ton is used in front of masculine and singular nouns, ta is used in front of feminine and singular nouns, and te is used in front of plural nouns regardless of the gender. 3. Elle or il is the owner. Un portefeuille. Un portefeuille. Son portefeuille. Son portefeuille. Une tasse. Une tasse. Sa tasse. Sa tasse. Des gants. Des gants. Ses gants. Ses gants. When il, he, or elle, she is the owner, son is used in front of masculine and singular nouns, sa is used in front of feminine and singular nouns, and se is used in front of plural nouns regardless of the gender. When he or she is the owner, that can lead to confusion in French as the possessive adjective only matches the gender of the object. C'est la voiture de Jonathan. C'est sa voiture. C'est la voiture de Marie. C'est sa voiture. The context should give you clues as to who owns the object. For, nous or on is the owner. Un sac à dos. Un sac à dos. Notre sac à dos. Notre sac à dos. Une montre. Une montre. Notre montre. Notre montre. Des clés. Des clés. Nos clés. Nos clés. When the owner is nous, we, or on, informal we, the gender of the object no longer matters for possessive adjectives. Only the number counts. Notre is used with singular objects and nos with plural objects. Pay attention to the pronunciation of the letter O. Its pronunciation is open in notre and closed in nos. Notre, nos. 5. Vous is the owner. Un parapluie. Un parapluie. Votre parapluie. Votre parapluie. Une bouteille. Une bouteille. Votre bouteille. Votre bouteille. Des ciseaux. Des ciseaux. Vos ciseaux. Vos ciseaux. When the owner is vous, formal or plural you, the gender of the object no longer matters for possessive adjectives. Only the number counts. Votre is used with singular objects and vos with plural objects. 6. Il or elle is the owner. Un canapé. Un canapé. Leur canapé. Leur canapé. Une chaise. Une chaise. Leur chaise. Leur chaise. Des meubles. Des meubles. Leurs meubles. Leurs meubles. When the owner is il, masculine they, or elle, feminine they, the gender of the object no longer matters for possessive adjectives. Only the number counts. Leur is used with singular objects and leur with plural objects. Leur and leur have the same pronunciation. Now that you know how to use possessive adjectives in French, let's talk about two essential rules. Rule number 1. In front of a feminine noun beginning with a vowel or mute H, you use the masculine possessive adjectives for je, tu, il, elle. Une assiette. Une assiette. Mon assiette. Mon assiette. Une erreur. Une erreur. Ton erreur. Ton erreur. Une humeur. Une humeur. Son humeur. Son humeur. If an adjective is added before a feminine noun, masculine possessive adjectives are used with adjectives beginning with a vowel and feminine possessive adjectives with adjective beginning with a consonant. Une amie. Une amie. Mon ami. Mon ami. Mon autre ami. Mon autre ami. Ma grande amie. Ma grande amie. Une tasse. Une tasse. Ma tasse. Ma tasse. Mon autre tasse. Mon autre tasse. Ma grande tasse. Ma grande tasse. Rule number 2. In general, we don't use possessive adjectives in front of body parts in French. Instead, we use definite articles. Je me lave les mains. Elle se brosse les cheveux. Elle s'est cassé le bras. J'ai mal au ventre. O is the contraction of the preposition a and the definite article le. J'ai la tête qui tourne. J'ai un coup de soleil dans le dos. There are exceptions to this rule. For example, if the body part is the subject of the verb, the possessive adjective is used. Mon bras est cassé. However, this is not a common sentence structure in French. We often use reflexive verbs with body part, so we'd rather say Je me suis cassé le bras. And thanks guys for being here with me today. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. À la semaine prochaine!